Hey everyone, got a Steam gift card but want to use it for V-Bucks in Fortnite? Here's a quick guide to make it happen. First, redeem your Steam gift card in the Steam app. Head to account details, click add funds to Steam wallet and enter the gift card code. Next, use your Steam wallet funds to buy an in-game currency gift card like Roblox credits that you can trade or exchange in a platform that can convert into PayPal funds. Now go to your PayPal account and withdraw the amount to be deposited into your Epic Games account where you can use the funds by V-Bucks or exchange directly using PayPal. Now go to Fortnite and go to the V-Bucks section, select your preferred amount and use your Epic Games linked PayPal account to buy. And that's it. You have just got your V-Bucks using Steam gift card funds. Like and subscribe for more gaming tips and tricks.